Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this really attractive 1969 Mgb Gt Sports Coupe. It's finished in this, I would call it like a Le Mans blue metallic. Real pretty, real rich looking color. Black interior, 4-speed, wire wheels, wood alloy steering wheel, and it's a very nicely restored car, both cosmetically and mechanically. We purchased it recently from the Pacific Northwest. The gentleman was performing a very, very nice full restoration on the car. So you know, a really nicely done BGT cosmetically and mechanically. If you look at the underside on this car, it's just like almost all fresh. Rebuilt suspension, exhaust, bushes, brakes, steering's all been attended to with new boots. You know, really, really conscientiously gone through stem to stern. Car runs and drives really well. It's actually still in its, you know, original kind of break-in phase. I think the gentleman finished it, and I think it was more fun for him to build the car than it is for him to keep it around and drive it. So we run into a lot of restorers like that, where they just enjoy restoring the car, and we ended up purchasing the cars from them and finding the right buyer who wants to then enjoy the car. So, but really nice, honest, you know, lovely little Mgb GT here. So paintwork was all new, chrome was new. It's got this early style grille. Deleted the overriders. You can fit those if you like, but I think they were going for just more of a smoother, cleaner front end look. Updated halogen headlamps. All the side moldings are new. Paintwork's very good. I would, you know, it's all fresh and nice, and pretty good quality, just not show quality, but very, very nice for the car. All this bright work was removed. There's some nice new rubber fitted to all the screens. You can see these were all removed. It was a glass out repaint. All this stuff's brand new. The windshield looks new. So lots of money spent cosmetically on the car. Very good panel fit. Wheels and tires, they've all been restored. All the bright work's brand new on the car. Lenses, lights, door seals, that kind of things, you know. So really nothing really left, you know, unturned cosmetically. No stone left unturned cosmetically. Let's check out this car's interior. Door seals are all brand new on the car. Beautiful new door panels. I think they fitted a brand new dashboard, which was a huge lot, you know, huge amount of labor and expense. They bought some brand new Smith's Instruments from the UK in this white finish, which, to be honest, is fantastic. You're driving down the road and, you know, these are really clear. You don't have to hunt for the gauges. They really kind of stand out of this black dashboard. But a brand new pillow dash installed, which is fabulous. Custom sound system fitted, beautiful wood alloy wheel. All the headliner in this car is mint. Look at these fantastic seats. You know, beautiful original OEM style seat kits with new foam, new carpeting. Driver's seat's perfect. All the headrests are done. So, you know, hugely impressive interior on this lovely BGT. Doors fit pretty nicely. I'll show you back here. This is a view from the hatch, the rear hatch. You can see all the headliner material was done. All the carpets are just beautiful and crisp on the car. So quite a labor of love to produce a BGT, as you can see right here in this fully restored condition. I'll take you around the driver's side here. Same story here, just, you know, beautiful restored door panels, door seals, seats, even the seat belts I think are brand new. So really lovely trim. You're not going to find another BGT in this custom color scheme. It's You know, it's a quite striking, attractive blue metallic. It is custom, but really lovely. So here's the engine compartment. It looks to me like the engine was completely rebuilt. All the carbs were rebuilt. All the braking system was done. That's all brand new with new lines. There's a cold air box fitted to the SU carbs. This really makes a lovely noise when you're putting your foot in the car, driving it around town. You can actually hear the air, the induction system. So that's really cool. Electronic ignition's been fitted, it looks like. Alternator new. Wiring harness looks in great condition. So no accidents up front here. Radiator looks brand new. So yeah, mechanically a sweetheart. If you can watch me just preceding this walk around video, I'm out on the street driving this car, and like I said, it drives great, but it's still in that early break-in period where, you know, suspension's settling and brakes and shocks are kind of working themselves in, but it is that crisp of a freshly done car. You can view the undercarriage photos. It's completely lovely and rust-free underneath. I think they've stripped back the undercoating to just show all the original factory clean sheet metal floors, and they painted everything black. But the rear axle came out, all the front suspension came off. Everything's been polyurethane rebushed. So the car drives nicely. Like I said, it's just kind of in that settling in phase. But nice shock actions, you know, nice chassis, nice springing. But gearbox is great, engine's great. So pretty impressive little car. We're now starting to see a few of these BGTs treated to this level of restoration. It is still very hard to find a car like this where someone's done everything to it, but these cars are at their age where they sort of need a proper, you know, mechanical and cosmetic restoration, and this car received one. So there it is, 1969 Mgb GT 2-seater 2+2 Sports Coupe, Le Mans blue metallic, black trim, 4-speed, wire wheels, full mechanical and cosmetic restoration on a really lovely car here. It's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. You can see me driving this preceding this walk around video. Really nice running, driving car with no issues.